I'm back, y'all. I'm back. What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. I did a little emergency video for y'all. What's going on? I know it's been a minute. What's cracking, y'all? King is back. What's up? Shit, man. Well, damn, I gotta fucking say it again. Shit, what did I tell y'all? It's the last fucking video. Did I not say it? I said, watch out for December 13th. I said that. Go back to my last video, the last one I just posted. I said, December 13th. I feel something's weird. I was like, the drop, I don't think it's over yet, yo. And there was a little bounce back. I was like, well, maybe we're gonna bounce back. Maybe. You know, it cracked up this resistance that I had for a second and then faked it out, went right back down. Ooh, guess not. And then December 13th happened. I thought it was gonna happen like that night, you know. I was like, okay. Then it ended up happening right in the daytime, you know, on Monday morning or Monday afternoon or whatever time zone you guys are in. It's probably all different, but shit dropped harder. But not just that too, stocks too, AMC, a lot of things, everything is dropping. You know, like I said, you know, for the longest time, beware of a black swan. I think it's happening. And unfortunately, I don't think it's over yet. I'm sorry to say, guys, I gotta be real with you, but I don't think it's fully over yet. This whole Evergrande shit, like I told you about the Evergrande crisis, you know, the Chinese housing market, that shit's crashing, that's defaulting. They haven't paid their bonds or something recently, so that fucked a lot of shit up, okay? That on top of the Omicron now that's getting bigger, and people are protesting around the world now, like, you know, to not get locked down, and you know, because it's happening. I think I saw some protests, I think Ukraine or Europe, somewhere in Europe, they're protesting they don't want to get locked down again. They're protesting about the you know, the COVID shot and stuff. So shit is getting crazy out there, okay? Seems like they're setting up for another possible lockdown. You know, and if that happens, y'all, expect another major crash, okay? I'm telling you right now, expect a major one. Same thing that happened when COVID first was announced, March 20th, 19th, something like that. I think it was 20th, 2020, whatever, in March, and when it happened, okay, that shit dropped, everything dropped fucking 80%, like crazy down, okay? And it's possible that it could happen again if they, you know, it seems like they're all setting it up, and if so, it could do that. But, you know, like I said, when I told you last time, when that happened, don't panic sell. You know, we don't know if it's going to happen, so I can't say to sell. Like, I don't know if it's going to fully happen or not. I'm saying it could happen, you know. If it does happen, if everything is a lockdown, it will drop. It will drop down 80%. You know, Bitcoin, you can see possibly 10, 15,000, 20,000. You can see it, and everything else is going to drop accordingly, okay? But what happened afterwards, it bounced right back, okay? Like I said, within a month, it bounced right back to where it was and went back to its all-time high, okay? All right, well, there's two things I want to show you guys just to, you know, actually a few things I want to show you guys, okay, to make you guys feel, okay, a couple things. Okay, well, first, my boy sent me this, and I've seen this before too, but I gotta, you know, show you guys this again. My boy Kid Enzo, the homie right here, sent me this chart, and it's, you know, it's good to really take things in perspective and zoom out and, you know, to see things. Look at this. This is Thanksgiving dinner. This is Thanksgiving, the price of Bitcoin every year. Okay, look at it. 2012, 2013. It's just only risen. The only time it hasn't risen was 2014 and 15. Went down a little bit. What happened after that? 740. The year afterwards, you know, look at that. 8,000. Come on. It never stopped. You know, and then, oh, it went down 2018. That was a drop right there. But again, what happened after that? You know, it went up a little bit, 7,000, and then double, boom, 16, and now 58. So as long as you held on, you know, it's only going to keep going up. Maybe you have to wait a little longer, but, you know, grand scheme of things, just hodl, you know, and if you do it, you know, if you're looking long-term for a few years, you will be good, trust me. And this is just Bitcoin, but I only show you Bitcoin because Bitcoin controls the rest of the market, like I said. But if Bitcoin does this, then just know all the other alts are going to do crazier numbers. They're going to drop crazier too. They're going to pump crazier too. So, okay, now this is one I wanted to show you. This might be very scary to a lot of you guys. I'm going to tell you right now. This is a chart made by this guy. I follow Optical Art on YouTube. He's also got some really good charts, man. I like this kid. This guy's good. Very bearish. I'll tell you that right now. But you gotta look at the bears too. You gotta understand. You can't just. I don't just look at the moon boys. I look at everybody. I look at the bears. I look at everybody, you know? And yes, he's been predicting this for a long time, okay? He's saying that we're going to have a fucking crash. Okay, a bad crash, just like we did right over here in 2020 when COVID first started. See that previous bottom right there? So look at this 2019 chart. It looks very similar to what we had over here. If you really look at it, zoom out, it's very similar, you know? And he has these fib circles that he has. And look, these, every time they cross the ring, you know, they pump, and it's pretty accurate. It did over here too, you know, pump. These same rings over here, and the yellow ones matches these same ones over here in the blue one. Over here. So that's the case. His last ring over here, the cross ring, once it drops that, it hits his last ring, boom, crazy drop. So he's the one who's calling for a big giant black swan event. Okay, then he's saying it can drop all the way down to here to where Bitcoin first started at 10,000. Okay, so you can go pew once it hits that last circle over there. He's saying it's gonna go pew all the way down to 10,000. And hey, if we get a lockdown, if shit happens, it's possible. It's very possible, because look, it went down to where it first started over here, Bitcoin, you know, at about 3, I believe, thousand or something, you know. But again, you know, that's very, very possible, guys. So just, I want to warn you guys. Okay, this is very, very possible. Okay, I saw this chart. I was like, this is a good chart. But what happened right after? You gotta look at what happened right after it happened. Okay, look, V-shaped recovery. V, that's a V right there. Boom, boom. Within the next month, it's back to where it was. Right back to where it was. Okay? So those who fucking panic sold down here, oh, fuck. I feel sorry for you guys, because you guys got fucked. Because what happened after that? Phew, the fucking moon. Even with this dip, you're still from here to there. Like, so imagine if this happens again, okay? And it drops all the way down here, and you can fucking panic sell down here. Okay, and it does the same shit, V-shaped recovery like this. Because with every big drop, what I tell you, with every big dump, there's a big pump. Every big pump, there's gonna be a big dump. Okay, that's just how it is. It's just how it is. Okay, like they had a big pump over here, eventually led to a big dump, bang. But it was quick. You know, it was a hard dump, but it came back right away, which is honestly good. You really think about that. You know, yes, we pumped so hard over here, all the way up there, and then it would fucking boom. You correct it for about a month or so, and then you're back on the road. So, I mean, in all honesty, guys, that's kind of good. You know, you need that correction in the market. You need the market to reset for it to be healthy. You can't expect things to just keep on going up in a straight line. Like I said, that's unhealthy for the market. It's very unhealthy. So, since we've been pumping up so much, it's possible. This guy's saying to go all the way to 10. I don't know about 10. Okay, I think that's a little too much. But again, you know, it happened before. It can happen again. So if it is, just be warned, you know. If it does, again, don't be an idiot and don't panic sell down here and then get fucked when it goes all the way up there. Okay? Once it goes down there, what are you gonna do? Like I said, have money to fucking buy more. If Bitcoin hits 10, okay, guys, it's not gonna stay long, because too many institutions and too many fucking big motherfuckers are gonna want that shit. Okay? They're gonna fucking eat that shit up, okay? But I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin, I'm gonna buy all the other fucking alts, because if Bitcoin goes down there, all the alts are dropping 80% too. Alice might be going down to fucking $5 or something. And guess what the fuck I'm gonna do when that happens? Okay, if it goes down there, Alice goes down to $5 or $3. Holy shit, I'm fucking scooping. Oh my god, as much as I can. I tell you that, Alice. I'm gonna get some sand. I'm gonna get all these, a bunch of shit that I, you know, want to get a discount. So that's what you gotta look at it, guys. Like, you know, if this happens, it's a good thing, but it's not gonna last long. So have some money ready, have some cash ready to fucking scoop up this major dip if it happens. Okay? I wanted to show you guys that. Anyways, Optical Art, this guy's good. Give him a follow. Although he might scare the fuck out of you. Keep watching his videos. He really thinks we're gonna go complete bear market for a while. I don't think so, because again, I want to show you guys this chart right here. This chart I showed you last time. This is from Benjamin Cohen. This is the long-term coin crypto market cap trend line. And if you really look at it, look at every time it's got to blow off top last time. Hit the green line, came all the way back down to the red green line. See that? Hit the green line again up there at the top, came back down again. You know, again, 2017 hit the green line. So you can see the dates over here. 2018 over here, 2014 is over here, 2011, 12. So look, when it hit the 69, 68, we haven't even gotten to fucking that green line yet, y'all. We haven't gotten there. So what I'm seeing possibly is maybe we correct down a little more. Maybe all the way down to, you know, the red line, you know, for a little bit and chill there for a month or two or three, you know, or so, and then finally come back up and finally get to the green line, get to the top, which will be like over 100K or so or more. Okay, so we're just gonna have a longer lengthening cycle. That's what I'm possibly seeing, because we still haven't gotten there yet. Like this, for this to be the end of the bull cycle, I don't know. I don't see it. I think this is just gonna be possibly a longer bull cycle, which is honestly good for all of us, y'all. I'm just telling you that it's good for all of us. This is, people are expecting it to basically hit the limit, the peak at December, and then have to redrop. So since it didn't happen yet, that means the peak hasn't happened yet. So maybe we don't hit the peak till mid next year. And if so, that means we got a lot more to play with, y'all. So that's kind of a good thing, okay? That's actually a good thing. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Keep that in fucking mind, okay? What's the next one? Like, this chart I showed you last time. I said, look at Bitcoin when it first rose. Like, every time this is 2016, 17. Look at it. It came up 38%, dropped. Came up 38%, 38%, 33, 38, 36. So it always drops significantly every time, So always remember that. That's the Bitcoin chart right there. Okay. And okay, now I'll show you the live charts of Bitcoin. That's what I want to show you. Let's go to Bitcoin live and see what it's doing right now. Okay, guys. So this is Bitcoin live right now. So look, it came down. We're at 47 right now. Now it came down in this chart. It didn't show that it came down here. There's another chart that I found that it literally, it came all the way down to 42, where it hit this line over here. If that's the case, that would be a double bottom, boom, boom, which means reversal, okay? So I'm expecting a little bit of reversal here. And now also I'm gonna zoom out. I wanna show you guys this other bigger time frame too. Look, this is long wedge that I've had it in for a long fucking time, okay? Since fucking March over here at the top. It's been respecting it, now it came off of it. And it does what exactly it usually does before it goes up. It comes out of it, comes back, and bounces on the wedge. I show you guys this all the time on all the other charts. This is just a bigger version of it. It happens in a bigger version too, correcting inside this little, triangle right here until it finally pops out of it. What happens when it pops out of it? It usually comes back down, tests it. What scared me is it cracked below it for a second, but it shot right back up. Now it's dancing on top of it again. So like I said, supposedly in this other chart, actually came back down. It went back below it again and bounced back up. This chart, I don't see it. So, but another chart, I saw it. So it's possible. That could have been a double bottom, boom, boom. Now on its way back up. But this is what I'm worried about, okay? It's a possible. What's happening is also a possible head and shoulders. I'm going to show you guys right now. Look at this. Shoulder, head. And let's say it bounces over here. And it comes over here. Let's say it hits 53. If it doesn't break 53, or if it hits 53 a little bit and comes back down, well, then that's going to be forming a head and shoulders. And if that's a head and shoulders, then expect some more downside, okay? It's going to go here, boom, 53, come back down, and yeah, it's going to be a fucking giant head and shoulders, and we can be coming down. Okay, the first resistance will be about 47. This is this long resistance line right here. About 40,000, my bad. About 40,000, like right here. Yeah, 40,000. And once it gets there, it's possible it's going to go lower down to here, 30,000. Okay, that will complete the head and shoulders like this. Boom, 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 complete head and shoulders. And maybe if we're lucky, it can bounce from there. Boom, back up, boom, boom, boom. If we're really lucky, okay, I'll tell you the most bullish scenario, okay? I'm freaking you guys out already. So look, most bullish scenario, we come over here, bounce here, boom, boom, and just stay on this line right here. Maybe come back up, boom, and just stay on this line right here. This long line that I've had for a long time. If it, just bounces here, and it continues up, then that's good. That's good for us. But again, head and shoulders can come down to here to 30,000. Complete the full head and shoulders. Boom, boom, 53 right here. Boom, head and shoulders. Or what the other kid, Optical Art, said. He said it's going down to 10,000, all the way down to here. Soon, bam, like a hard dip. Black Swan event. That's true Black Swan event. If they said Omicron is here, we're locking down the whole fucking country, every country is getting locked down, guess what, y'all? Expect this to happen, okay? I don't know, 10,000, that's what he's saying, but it's going to drop hard, okay? It's going to drop hard. I see this line. I had this one line right over here. I'll show you mine that I have since this is from the last COVID right here on March 13th. March 10th is when it started. See, boom, this is COVID crash. Boom, that's when it started. Like it looks like it's a blip, but like from here, it was scary. It scared a lot of people. Because look, it came up, then we're going up, and then bam, it scared a lot of people. But then what did it do right after? Look, within a month, guys, look, within a month, you're back up here. you know, April, May, for a month and a half, V shape, boom, and it on its way back up to the fucking moon, all the way up there. So now what I want to show you guys is this line right here I made from this tip right here to the bottom right here. You go all the way up here. Look at it, look at it. It follows, oh shit. So I'm thinking the worst case scenario, if this does drop, maybe it'll drop right down to here, to about this line, which about 30,000. You know, I see possibly the worst case about 30,000, 28,000, something like that. You know, and then we bounce on here and continue up. You know, maybe V shape if it's a hard drop. V shape, boom, right back, back up. Optical art, he believes it's gonna go down to 10. If it does do that, it's gonna go boom, shoom, boom, boom, boom. Again, still V shape. So I say have some money, have some money ready to buy this dip if we're gonna have it, and it's very possible that we do. So then you guys know I already bought some of the dip, but I'm gonna have some ready to buy some more of the dip. I'll tell you guys right now. Okay, it's Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you guys the US dollar, DXY. Okay, now DXY, this is something fishy with me. It's kind of dancing in this little wedge right here. You know, I thought it was gonna bust through here. Nope, fake out, got rejected. Bam. So that means I see it come back down again. That's why I'm gonna touch this bottom. So once this do this, Bitcoin's gonna pump up. See, that's why I see Bitcoin pumping up possibly right now in these next few days to weeks, just a little bit, not crazy. You know, this goes down right here, touches 95 again, and then come back up here, boom, boom. Then comes back, either comes back up or goes down. That's what's gonna determine everything. DXY goes up, we're going down, Bitcoin, crypto. DXY does this and comes up and shoots back down, fake out. Ooh, that's good news for us. I'll tell you that right now, it's great news for us, okay? I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen yet. With inflation, though, it can go down because inflation is real. It's already said it's happening. So look, it got rejected here. So I expect the next little bit for Bitcoin to possibly pump a little bit, just a little bit. You know, let's see what happens. So keep an eye on that. DXY, Bitcoin. Obviously, everything else is dipped. You know, so it doesn't fucking matter. You know, I'm gonna show you. You know, Alice, baby, right here. Alice had a great, fucking dip still. You know, let me just go zoom in real quick, okay? So I got faked out over here. I thought it came out of this wedge. I thought it was gonna come up more, and it got faked out. Boom, came down a little harder. So, shit. All right. Well, you know, it's still down low. It's still a great time. Actually, this is a great time to buy because look at hit the bottom of this over here, 11, which is the last bottom. So this could be the double bottom before it comes back up. As I think Bitcoin might pump a little bit, come back over here, boom, boom. Eventually, then it come back down, maybe. Or depends, if Bitcoin decides to go back up, then we all go back up. But good time to buy still, checking in the bottom. I already bought some, so I'm going to wait to see if we dip more. If Bitcoin, if everything is crashing, like if Omicron and all that shit happens, Bitcoin goes all the way down, then Alice and everything is all going to go down too. Everything, all of crypto. So this, you guys asked when I'm buying, this is what I'm going to be buying, because again, I'm still believing Alice. I think it's going to go parabolic. If I can get a crazy discount, then great, even better. So, you know, if it gets down to fucking $9, I'm scooping. And if Bitcoin goes down to $10 and 10,000 or some crazy shit, then yeah, Alice can go down to 5 or something. Yes, when that happens, fuck yes, of course. And I bought some Alice at 20, so am I not gonna buy it at 5? Of course I am. That's what you fucking do. You buy the bottom, you sell up top. That's investing, y'all. Okay. Yeah, sorry, it's not moving right away. You know, and that's how it is. You know, we had a nice run for the last few months, and that's how it is. So maybe it'll drop back down. Maybe get down to 4 or 5. Oh shit! If it goes down there, shit. Well, yeah. I'm gonna buy as much as I can. I'm gonna hold it till we're back. You know, and if it takes a few months, fuck it. You know, I don't care. For a few months, for possible 1,000% gain. And if we go down here, for sure, easy 1,000 to 2,000% gain. Because like I said, I see Alice going $100 to $200. So from here, easy 1,000 to 2,000% gain. I'm scooping as much as I can. I gotta wait a few months. Fuck it. Okay, fuck it. Okay, depending on how much you put in, that could be life-changing money. I'm telling you that right now. Okay, y'all did a sand. When I called it at 60 cents, y'all would have changed it. Could have done it for you that too. So this is why I look at it. This could be the next sand play. That's what I think. All right, y'all. I think that's enough, man. That's good enough. That's enough. Good little recap for you guys, on the market and everything. Hope you guys got some good info. Like I said, is the Black Swan event over yet? I don't think so. I'm not sure. I don't think so, though. I think we can, like I said, it can head and shoulder can happen with Bitcoin, and if that happens, then we're going down more. Expect 40K, and if that breaks, 30K. And if worst case scenario, 10 to 15K, which is possible. I'm not saying it's not. It's possible. Okay, so shit, just just hold on tight, strap your seatbelts on as possible. But you know, if it does, don't be stupid and sell down there. You're gonna be the fucking sucker that did that last time, and look what the fuck happened. Okay, so don't be that sucker. You know, be smart. And when it goes down there, have some cash handy. I'm telling you, have some cash handy to buy that dip, because fuck, that's gonna be the dip that you truly wish you bought. Okay, and that's all you gotta know. Okay, because at the end of the day, no matter how much we crash, the market never dies. It always goes back up. Just look in history. Never. It always goes back up. Okay, that's just how it is. Okay, all right, guys. That's all I got for you guys. Fuck it, you know. Keep your heads up, you know. Stop crying. Go outside. Enjoy some air, you know, a little bit. It's all good. Enjoy your fucking holidays and shit. Okay, I'm trying to keep you guys updated more and try to put more videos the rest of this week. All right. Until next time. Give me a fucking like. Give me some more comments. You know, give me some more incentives to keep making this video, because I don't have any incentives. I'm not like, you know, no one cares. No one's watching my videos. I'm not gonna make them. All right. Tell me you want to see my videos. Tell me to keep making them. Put some fucking comments. Put some likes. Retweet this shit. Reshare. Then I'll keep making them. Because if not, then I'm just whatever. Fuck it. All right. Live my life. All right, y'all. Anyways, till next time. Peace.